Barcelona, 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 Barcelona. Barcelona, Barcelona. Barcelona, Barcelona. And we're again in the airport. I mean, in the morning it's even more empty. We're gonna book our hotel right now in the airport. We just had no time to do it before. Okay, we're in Barcelona and here is so cold, you cannot imagine. We were looking outside and we were thinking like, why everybody is wearing jacket? And it's so freaking cold. And you know,
Yes.
we kind of like this.
We're really prepared.
Kevin wearing short pants. I also took with me my short pants, you know, t-shirts. And I think now we have to check for a shop to buy some clothes. We're just shaking and we're just going to the first cafe we see because to the hotel it's too early, shops are closed, everything is still closed. Yeah, we're just gonna go over there. Okay, we were wondering like why it's so cold because when we checked the weather yesterday it was plus 23. I'm gonna show you now. I mean, what do you think? In short pants with plus 13 it's a bit chilly, I think.
This is winter.
I'm not sure that tortillas is very good like as a breakfast.
Comidas.
Hasta mañana.
Good morning to Barcelona. It's 8:30 in the morning. Kevin is sleeping. I was in the hotel and planning to go upstairs on the rooftop to read my book, but the terrace was closed. That's why I decided just to explore the city a bit alone, maybe find some cafeteria to drink coffee and read my book. I think actually this is the first time I see Barcelona that empty. First of all, of course, it's because it's Sunday morning and it's really early and shops are closed and actually everything is closed. And the second, it's coronavirus, and I think it's really the first time I really enjoy this. Ooh, here is some party in Sephora. To be honest, this is the first time when I really enjoyed Barcelona, and I think yesterday was the day when I fall in love with Barcelona, because we've been here a lot of times and all the time it was running, you know. Barcelona can offer you so much to see that in the end I became desperate, you know, because I wanted to see everything. We were running like crazy, and every time we were coming here we were just running around to see everything, and it was really stressful. And what is also stressful in Barcelona, it's really a lot of people, it's super overcrowded. And now because of coronavirus here is not that many people, and to be honest I really enjoy that. I mean, of course here is still a lot of people, it's a huge city, but it's nothing compared to like how it was before, you know. Yeah, that's why we had a really great day yesterday, and I think the point is that we came without any plan. We just book our flight tickets one day in advance, and our hotel we booked right in the airport. Yeah, and yesterday we just were walking around, eating, watching, like literally having any plan, you know, any plans, and it was amazing. That's why, guys, if you have chance to fly now to Barcelona, maybe you should do it and enjoy this beautiful city, because flight tickets became cheaper, and especially hotels became really cheap. We stayed in the center of Barcelona in a 4-star hotel, and I think we paid like 60 something euro. Before it was 100 plus for one night. I would say that in Barcelona everything is less strict about coronavirus than in Mallorca, because in Mallorca, for example, you cannot smoke on the street, and you cannot smoke on the terraces of the cafe or bars. Here, I mean, I don't know what is the law here, but yesterday I saw everybody were smoking on the streets, in the cafes, on the terraces. Yeah, in Mallorca at the moment you cannot do it. And in general it feels here everything a bit more loose, more relaxed, because in Mallorca it's like you all the time have to wear a mask and you really can get a fine. Kevin finally woke up and we're on our way to have breakfast.
because it was empty.
And we're in Mallorca. We're back home.